Hi guys, my name is Elijah, aka Michael. Today I'm going to review on Subway food cheesesteak. Let's see how it looks, shall we? It looks like this. And let's give it a bite. Let's give it a bite. Mmm.
This really ain't my day. I opened a bottle of Sprite and it just exploded all over me.
That's good. That's good.
I opened a bottle of Sprite and it just exploded all over
That
me.
gets a 10 out of 10 from me. If you ever had a food cheesesteak from restaurant, this will be good to go. That gets a 9.5 out of 10. Or a 10 out of 10 for me. A 10 out of 10 for me. So until next time, everybody, I'm drinking Mountain Dew. I mean Sprite. So until next time, everybody, peace out, home dog. Take care of my Nietzsche.